Clouds.
Voice, sound, noise. Voice meaning the sound produced by humans. Examples: I heard your voice. I heard my sister's voice.
Sound meaning sound produced by anything like TV, radio, phone. As for example, the sound of your TV is irritating.
Noise. Noise means unwanted sounds. As for examples, don't make noises. If you make a noise, you will be punished.
Hear, listen. Hear means ability or sounds coming to our ears. Examples: I heard the news on TV yesterday. I heard the trickling of water from the tap.
Listen means focusing on sounds. Example sentences: I listen to music when I am sad. Listen to your teacher. See, look, watch. See means to notice someone or something by using your eyes. Example sentences: I saw him at the train station. I saw my friend at the party. Look means to direct your eyes in a particular direction. As for example, look at the paintings. Watch means to look at someone or something for an amount of time and pay attention to what is happening. As for example, she is watching movies. Utter, mutter. Utter means to say something or make a sound with one's voice. As for example, she was not able to utter a word. Mutter means say something in a low or barely audible voice, especially in dissatisfaction or irritation. As for example, the old man was muttering some words. Keep, put. Keep is used physically and non-physically for long-term actions. Example sentences: I kept the book on the table. I always keep my words. Put is used only physically for short-term actions. As for example, put that pen on the table. Complain, complaint. Complain means to express dissatisfaction or annoyance about something. As for example, he complained against you. Complaint is a noun. Complaint means a statement expressing that something is unsatisfactory or unacceptable. As for example, he filed a complaint against you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.